My name is Juliana Keeling. I'm the CEO and founder of Terravive. To share a little bit more about who Terravive is and what we do, we are a leading provider of compostable American-made food service products. There's really three key pillars that differentiate our company. The first is that 100% of our products, from raw material production all the way to conversion to finished product, are made and manufactured 100% in the USA. The second component is that they are certified compostable and none of our products have any added PFAS. And the third component is that we are a woman, minority, and veteran-owned company. My business partner, Joe Sweater's in the audience. He's a Navy veteran and he's our COO. If you have any questions, feel free to come up to either of us. We have commercialized over 100 products since I started the business back in 2015. We currently ship our products throughout the US and internationally. Okay, who here has